Okay, so I'm about to unbox this because I got something exciting in the mail today. I'm excited.
This call is being recorded.
God. Okay, so the special thing that I got in here, I'm gonna attach a link, and you guys are gonna be able to purchase this yourselves. Something very, 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 very special to me. Not this. This is something else. Don't worry about that. But this right here. So this is my Girls Life Application Study Bible. I like this Bible because it's very approachable, and it makes it easy to understand the word. So I like to read this Bible. We lost our Bible because this is the Bible that me and all my friends use, so I had to order us a new one because I don't know what happened to our Bible for real. But I'm excited. So the point of this Bible, why I want you guys to order it, is because my lip gloss collection is about Rahab. So I want you to study the chapter of Joshua with me, so you can learn about her sacrifice, how she had like a soft spot for God, and because of that, by faith she was able to accomplish a lot. So yeah, you can click my link and read your Bible.